I've said it once.
यार अभिषेक बच्चन का ना बैड लगे खराब है.
Now I say it again. अभिषेक बच्चन का बैड लगे खराब है. So hi guys, welcome to the Desi Binger in a new setup, a new city and a new movie.
The Big Bull.
Now I'm sure when the idea of making a movie on Harshad Mehta came about, Abhishek Bachchan would have thought that this seems like a good chance for me. This role seems like my chance at redemption and my comeback film. He would have thought here's a real story about a flawed man, Krish character who kind of fights the system, something like what he did in Guru during the peak of his career. So no wonder he jumped at it, and along with him Ajay Devgan, who's the producer of the film, also thought that this could be like a good money spinner. But right about the same time, there was another set of people in the same industry whose motivation might not have been exactly to make a good money spinner or to relaunch a sagging career. Their intention was to tell a story of this person in the most authentic and honest way possible, which is why they ended up making Scam 1992, the web series, and these guys ended up making The Big Bull, and which is also why Scam 1992 is regarded as one of the top Hindi web series last year, whereas The Big Bull would be a movie that would be forgotten even before the week ends.
कौन सी लॉटरी? स्टॉक मार्केट. तुक्का आणि दाव में बहुत फर्क है. सोच समझ.
So as you would all know, The Big Bull is a story of Harshad Mehta. It's basically a fictionalized story of Harshad Mehta, his rise to fame and his eventual downfall. Obviously in the movie the names and the places have changed. So Harshad becomes Hemant, Sucheta Dalal becomes Meera Rao, Times of India becomes the India Times. I mean, who cares? The movie falls into the same trap as many other biopics that have been coming out of Bollywood. It's a set template. Start with a very dramatic point of the hero's career. Then flashback into his humble beginnings, the struggles he goes through. Then he's faced with an important decision, a decision that will change his course of life. This is followed by a series of events which basically just highlight
like a checklist for the most important achievements of his life.
And in the end, we come back to the same dramatic starting point that the movie began with, and then the climax. Now, there's no problem in following the template. Many of the Hollywood films also follow the same template, but it's really how you make the journey interesting. Like if it's a sports personality, can you show glimpses of that person that is not known to the rest of the audience? Can you show the negative aspects of your main protagonist? Which is a very important thing. It makes your main protagonist a three-dimensional character, somebody who is human. Something that almost all biopics fail to do so in India, with some exceptions. What most of the biopics tend to focus on is hero worshipping their main lead, which is what The Big Bull does as well. Now, comparisons to Scam 1992 are obvious, but then one is a web series, which means the creators have a lot of time to build up to a certain event or to flesh out a certain character. But it is the intention that is the problem here with The Big Bull. The intention is to glamorize, to make him look like a god who gave the middle class hope, who was brought down by the corrupt system, blah blah blah. It completely misses the point of what really made Harshad Mehta's kingdom fall apart. His greed, his need for recognition, his need for to be remembered in history forever. This could have been a deeper character study. It could have done so many things.
But in the end, it ends up being nothing. Nothing at all. Not one thing of this movie is worth remembering. The performances are, as expected, dull and not up to the mark. So many things in the movie are quite perplexing.
You have shots of Abhishek laughing like a Hindi film villain.
क्यों? मतलब why? Every time you see Abhishek Bachchan on screen playing Harshad Mehta, you can't help but remember Pratik Gandhi's fantastic portrayal. It's unfair, I know, but it's true.
Unfortunately, the whole movie is lying on Abhishek Bachchan's weak shoulders. Elena De Cruz, who plays Sucheta Dalal, is really used like a prop instead of somebody who is, the real force.
As someone who played a key role in bringing the Harshad Mehta scam out in the public,
doing some solid investigative journalism.
Instead, she's just a small supporting role.
Soham Shah, who plays Abhishek's brother, gets a bit of screen time, but he hams his way through. It's difficult to imagine this is the same Soham Shah who was stellar in Tumbad. So all in all, The Big Bull is a complete waste of time. So on the binge meter, this one's absolutely not binge-worthy. If you want to watch the Harshad Mehta story, then catch Scam 1992,
the web series on Sony Live.
You can also catch my review of Scam 1992 and what I thought about it here by clicking this link.
Like the content that I put out, then please share and like this video. It helps. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media to get the latest reviews and recommendations. I put out a new video every week. And as usual, thank you for all the love. Bye bye.